Good morning, children. I am your Ganesh sir, maths teacher of Kakatiya Public School. Yesterday we discussed formulas of perimeter. Today we are going to discussing problems on area. So these problems are three types: type 1, type 2, type 3 problems. Type 1 is nothing but average, easy problems. Type 2 is average problems. Type 3 is higher order thinking problems. So today we are going to discussing type 1, type 2 problems. Now, type 1 problems. First one, side of a square is 8 centimeters. Then find its area. So, we have to find out the area of square. The given is a side of the square. The given. So, solution: side 8 centimeters. The given. So, we have to find out the area of square. Z equals to, what is the formula of area of square? Side into side. Then side is how much? 8 centimeters into 8 centimeters. 8 8 are 64 centimeters into centimeters. Square centimeters. Or we will write as a centimeter square. Also we can write. Now second problem. Length and breadth of rectangle are 6 meters and 4 meters. Then find its area. So what is the given? Solution: length and breadth the given. So length the given as a 6 meters and breadth the given as a 4 meters. Then we have to find out its area. So area of rectangle formula is length into breadth. So length is what? 6 meters into breadth is how much? 4 meters. Now multiplying 6 fours are 24. Meters into meters, square meters or meter square. Now third problem. The base and height of triangle are 9 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Then find its area. So solution: what they given? Base of triangle, how much they given? 9 centimeters. And height how much they given? 4 centimeters they given. So what is asking? Area of triangle. So area of triangle formula: half into base into height. So half into base is nothing but 9 centimeters into height is nothing but 4 centimeters. So here can we cancel this? Yes, we can cancel this. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So remaining is 9 centimeters into 2 centimeters. Then 9 twos are 18 centimeters into centimeters. Square centimeters are centimeter. Now, fourth problem. The base and height of parallelogram are 6 meters and 8 meters. Then find its area. So, solution: here base and height they given of parallelogram. So, base is 6 meters and height they given as a 8 meters. Then they ask him to find its area. So now area of parallelogram formula base into height. Area of parallelogram formula base into height. So base is 6 meters into height is 8 meters. So 6 8s are 48 meters into meters. Square meters are meter square. Next, fifth problem in type 1 problem, last problem. Fifth problem, the diagonals of rhombus are 12 centimeters and 8 centimeters. They given. Then we have to find out its area. Area of rhombus we have to find out. Now solution. D1 the given as a 12 centimeters and D2 the given as a 8 centimeters. Then we have to find out the area of rhombus. Area of rhombus formula half of product of its diagonals, nothing but half into D1 into D2. So now half into D1 12 centimeters into D2 8 centimeters. So now we can cancel. Yes, 2 ones are 2 6 are 12. Then 6 centimeters into 8 centimeters. Then 6 8s are 48 centimeters into centimeters. Square centimeters are centimeter square. So next type 2 problems we will discuss. Now type 2 problems. First one, the area of square field is 225 centimeters square the given. Then they are asking to find its side. So in type 1 problem the given side will we find area. Here if they given area, how to find the side we will learn. So solution, the given area of square. How much the given? Area of square field how much the given? 225 centimeter square the given. But area of square formula is what? Side into side is equals to 225. So side into side nothing but we can write as a s power 2. Why? Because side is how many times? 2 times. So s power 2 we can write. Now this 225 we can write as a product of 15 into 15. 15 15s are 225 we can write. So 15 into 15 we can write. Then s power 2 is equals to 15 is how many times? 2 times. Then we can write as the same like this 15 power 2. Now s is equals to, if we transpose this square, it's become as a root. So this square is become as a root. So root of 15 square. So this square is become as a root. Then root to square both are equal. Then square and root we can get cancelled. So s is equals to 15 centimeter. Therefore side of square is how much? 15 centimeters. Like this we have to find out the side of the square. Next, second problem. The area of rectangle is 1125 centimeters square and its width 25 centimeters they given. Then what is its length they are asking. So here solution, the given width, first the given width 25 centimeters and as well as the given area of rectangle they given. So area of rectangle, how much they given? 1125 centimeter square they given. So but we know the formula, area of rectangle length into breadth is equals to 1125. But width nothing but breadth. Length into breadth is how much they given? 25 is equals to 1125. Now 25 transpose to that side, the multiplication quantity becomes as a division quantity. Then length is equals to 1125 by 25. Now we can cancel this. Yes. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. Remaining 1 12. Again 5 2s are 10. Remaining 2 25. 5 5s are 25. So now again cancellation. So length is equals to 225 by 5. So again 5 1s are 5 4s are 20. Remaining 2 5 5s are 25. Then length is how much? 45 centimeters. Therefore, the length of the rectangle is how much? 45 centimeters. Now, third problem, area. Third problem, area of parallelogram is 144 meters square, and its height is 8 meters. Then find its base. So, what are given height? So, solution. Height of parallelogram, how much? 8 meters are given, and as well as area of parallelogram also given 144 meters square. Now area of parallelogram, they given as a 144 meter square they given. Now what is the formula of area of parallelogram? Base into height is equals to 144. But what are you asking? Base. So base we have to find out, and height how much they given? 8 meters. So 8 is equals to 144. Now base is equals to 144 by 8. So multiplication quantity will be division quantity. Now cancelize. 8 ones are 8. Remaining 6. Nothing but 64. 8 8s are 64. Then base is equals to how much? 18. What are they given? Meters. So meters. So base of the parallelogram, how much we got? 18 meters. Now next fourth problem. The given area of triangle is 24 centimeters square and its base is 8 centimeters. Then we have to find out its height. So solution. First, what is given base? How much they given base? 8 centimeters they given base, and as well as area of triangle also they given. So area of triangle they given how much? 24 centimeter square they given. Then area of triangle formula, yes, we know that half into base into height is equals to 24. Now half into base they given 8 into height we have to find out is equals to 24. Now we can cancel as yes. 2 1s are 2 4s are. So 4 into height is equals to 24. Same multiplication quantity will be division divided. So height is equals to 24 by 4. So 4 1s are 4 6 are. Therefore height is equals to 6 centimeters. So we got height of the triangle is how much? 6 centimeters. Now in type 2 last problem, fifth problem, area of rhombus is 216 meters square and one diagonal is 24 meters. Then find its another diagonal. So solution. One diagonal, nothing but D1 is the given 24 meters the given, and as well as area of rhombus also the given. So area of rhombus the given 216 meter square the given. Now we know the formula of area of rhombus, half into D1 into D2 is equals to 216. So D1 the given. So half into D1 24 into D2 is equals to 216. Now cancel this. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 12 into d2 is equals to 216. Now d2 is equals to 216 by 12. So cancellation 12 ones are 12 ones are. So in 21 12 means nothing but 9 96. 12 8s are 96. So therefore another diagonal d2 is 18 meters. So another diagonal is another diagonal of rhombus is 18 meters we got. Now worksheet. First problem, side of a square is 6 meters. Then find its area. So the given side of a square is 6 meters. The given we have to find out the area of square. Now second one, length and breadth of rectangle are 8 centimeters and 4 centimeters. The given they ask you to find the area of rectangle. Now third problem, base and height of triangle are 6 centimeters and 3 centimeters. Then you have to find out the area of a triangle. Now fourth problem, the diagonals of rhombus are 11 meters and 4 meters. So what is the given? Diagonals of a rhombus, the two diagonals of rhombus are 11 meters and 4 meters. Then we have to find out its area of a rhombus. Thank you.